Box after box of medical supplies heading from here in Atlanta to Haiti.
This came about with 21 organizations coming together.
The Haiti Disaster Relief Project collected the supplies, but getting them into Haiti has been the problem.
We have actively looked for the last 4 or 5 days for a pilot or an airplane ride going down to Port-au-Prince, and that has been very difficult.
Enter Scott Dorfman. He has a major NASDAQ-traded company, but has put that on hold to use the company plane for flights to Haiti.
Everybody's been asking, and I've had more missions than I can fly. And then once I got over there, it has just been incredible, and they got me hooked. So the Haitian people got me hooked.
Organizers say taking smaller planes like this one allows them to get the supplies in fast and directly to the people who need them.
The giant shipments, the boats and the ships and everything can get into a port city, for example, but they can't get anywhere else.
So on this plane, along with the much-needed medicine, will be 4 relief workers, including Haiti native Joseph Verloose.
I'm looking forward to go down there tomorrow and roll up my sleeve and do what needs to be done to help my people.
Scott Dorfman says he's already told the office not to expect him or the plane back for at least another week, so he can make more flights like this one.
2,000 pounds of medicine is going to help a lot more than 2,000 people. So, from my perspective, I feel like we're helping a lot of people.